Okay guys, today we're cooking super amazing, super quick, super fast dish. I promise you, this dish always be good quality, doesn't matter of your skill, I will teach you. With this dish you can surprise your family, your girlfriend and as well friends if they came to your guest. It's easy to cook. For this dish we need chicken, mushrooms, potato, onion and carrot and mayonnaise. Super easy dish. Now I show you how to cut chicken to the pieces. First we cut here from two sides. After we break it and with knife cut like that. Now we have two parts. Now we cut that way. As well we cut S. Now this one, fillet. Cutting half. Super easy. We have four parts. Now, as you see, we have super hairy chicken. And guess what? We will burn it. And guess what we do? We will burn it. And guess what we will do? We will burn it.
Burn it.
Давай. Don't burn my phone and camera. From the side, try.
Don't burn the table.
Need epic. Now we use for this chicken like mayonnaise. We put some mayonnaise and we put this spices like that. Now we should very good mix it from all sides to make sure it's mixed properly. This spice content already salt, that means be very careful, because if you put more salt, it can be too salty. Yeah, you see, we mix. As well, you can use not only chicken, but chicken thighs. Now we will cut all ingredients for this amazing dish. And first we start from potatoes. And we will cut it rounded. Make sure it's not very thin. Yeah, we need not very much potato, like something like 5, but depends of the size. And now we place this potato here. 1, on another. To make sure it cover all. How it's called? Plate, not plate.
Bottom.
No, metal.
Make a layer.
Make a layer
of potato.
of potato. Like that should be okay. Now we take carrot and cut carrot as well rounds. Now time to place carrots. Try to make same level, but remember, first we should put potatoes, after carrots, and on top put onion and chicken. Now we cut onion. Half round and place like that. If you don't want to cry, take water to the mouth and keep it till you not finish the cutting. As well, put your knife under cold water and keep it. This is save your eyes from crying. We decide to put mushroom whole like that without cutting because we want these mushrooms looks amazing on the plate. Like that, and on top we place chicken. And we put some sauce. Because here is not much sauce and our chicken can burn, we can put some water. Make sure water is covering potato. Okay, now we place to oven with temperature 220 for half an hour about. Now we take this dish and place to the oven. After 15 minutes, we always checking our chicken, and you should as well chicken because your chicken can burn. And to not chicken you burn and cook properly, we will cover with foil now. Use foil because you don't know maybe how it's your oven working. Maybe can give too much high temperature and your chicken just can be burned and not cooked properly. Foil is protective. Just make sure inside you have water, each one a little bit down temperature. As well became steam, which one make your chicken more softer and yummy. We take foil. And now put back to the oven. Be very careful when you open, because it's a lot of steam. You see how it looks like? Nice, our chicken. Now we place to the plate and we're ready to eat.
Okay, now it's time to review this amazing dish that my dad has made for me. Just look how crispy the skin is. So nice and soft. It's one of the best chicken dishes I've ever tried. Everything else just works super well together. Just so soft, delicious. I can feel all the lovely flavors. Everything just works really well together. You definitely have to try this dish out, or else you're missing out. I hope you follow our recipe and make it yourself.